Hold on. 6 your little man, y'all know how we coming, man. Not gonna hold it down. Fuck yeah, I'm a down nigga. I blow weed out the pound, nigga. Man, fuck you and your round, nigga. Man, I'ma mow you down. Don't come around, nigga. Nigga, players gon' go round, nigga. Nigga don't even make no sound, nigga. You not gon' hold it down. Throw 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 down. I'm going harder for this shit. Go harder for this shit. Jump in that water with the silk. We don't raw them for a shit, nigga. Push hard on through the bricks, and I be hard all on the bitch. And bought her with the stick, or blow the heart up out a bitch. And I run a nigga down, I burn a nigga round. For the right price, if the price right, I burn a nigga town. Thank you, pussy, if you won't, or we'll put you in the trunk and drive you off and then dump all in the trunk. It sounds built like when you rock, you gotta be built for this shit. Man, I know niggas doing life for them got killed for this shit. Man, the other day I just made bond, and I'm still with the shit. I got this Glock and nigga play, don't get killed with this bitch. I'ma throw down. Throw down. Throw down. Throw down. Throw down. Throw down. Throw down.
Okay, it's torture when we draw down. Florida, I lay that law down. 40 ass, be on the law, say extortion, let's lay the ball down. Milito hit your shit with black magic, I spray the car down. That 32209 shit is mask galore, we on wall ground. Snapper that took his block out. These and then whip that yop out. And you switching your tone, but it ain't your time for a cop out. This nigga push my buttons, bitch, I'm trying to fold the stock out. Kept that sub 2040, watch me caught that bitch and rock out. He been under a rock, and buddy bet I poke his top out. That boy that make that dumb, I'm thugging till I cock out. Behind that wall you press, man, I got the lock in this suck out. That's by me, bitch, I'm shot out. You can kiss that boy goodbye when I
Throw down. 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 Throw down.
Nigga, fuck you and your sister and your mammy. Lil' Kane, 2017 handy. Who playin'? I bust your shit on side your mixtape just like Don Cannon. I fuck your bitch all in your spot and feed your son candy. Street nigga, I ain't doing nothing fancy. Until you niggas sold your pussies, you can unhandle. Behind respect, I'm bustin' 90 to the gun jamming. I smoke so much it cuss for real, I know my lungs damage. If you draw down on guard, you better relocate. This weapon I possess in my possession, just a throwaway. Scooter told me fuck them niggas, Kane. We can make it pop, and if we miss the first rip, it ain't nothing. We can make the block.
Throw down. 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 Pussy.